It's good to be back. One of the positives about being in this business of making others great, which I consider as a divine responsibility, is the exposure I get to meet with a number of CHROs, Chief Human Resource Officers. And as I get to work with a number of them across these many years, I have discovered a few characteristics that sets the best apart. In fact, I wanted to go ahead and share some of those characteristics that set apart the best CHROs. The first thing that I've observed is their ability to articulate their contribution to the business, which is to say, how does my HR team show up on business results? In fact, they are not just satisfied with the contribution, they also look at attribution, which is to say, from their COO or CEO's perspective, what are their acknowledgements of the additional value add from HR? And all of this value add in measurable and monetizable terms. The second element that sets CHROs apart is their ability to drive what I call connection and collaboration across the entire system. In fact, I was just rewatching this movie Avatar, and I was struck by Eva, how the tree Eva, how it gets everybody across and how it connects everybody and gets the energy flowing across everybody. So in fact, CHROs, the best of them, look at how do they get this energy, connection, communication, and collaboration working very well. What I've also observed is that, as we move from product service companies to management consulting firms, the cleavages between different service lines is very apparent, and one organization approach that actually retires market potential is what CHROs are focused on. The third element that I'm observing is CHROs not just limited or blindsided by just their organization. They take an ecosystem approach to going ahead and managing people, potential, and capability, which is to say, how do they capture everybody in the gig economy? How do they interface with all of their partners, their suppliers, and how do they look at the overall ecosystem helping them to achieve more? In fact, all of these three elements of the ability to provide greater clarity, the ability to provide greater connection, and the ability to provide greater catalysis to the entire HR population or the entire HR community is what sets the best CHROs apart. I just thought I will go ahead and share. If you are in the HR fraternity, if you are a CHRO, this would help you to assess where you stand and where you need to go. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to learn from the best and to go ahead and share it with the rest. Good luck.